Hi guys, just wanted to make a quick video about how easy it is to work on this Range Rover P38, and as you can see I managed to break my wing mirror, which is not very difficult to do on these very narrow English roads, and I'm gonna have to replace this now, and it is ever so easy because all you need to do, you remove this bit of trim and then you get that connection out of the way, and then you have like 3 7mm bolts which we undo. There we go, it's all off. As you can see, there's a couple of different type of connectors. This is the 12 pin. Now here we just remove it like that. Bob's your uncle, the mirror is off, ready for putting on the new one really. So easy as. Try do this on a modern vehicle. One little trick before we put this back: remove the metal clip from here and press it into there, and then this plastic will hold nicely, otherwise you can kick it in for a little while and you realize it won't hold. But that's all about it, easy as. Only slight issue, it's a different color, but hey, it's an old car, so I think we'll live with that really. Anyway, some modern cars have a different color wing mirror anyway, so we'll take it as a design feature now.